Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm super excited because I'm going to be showing you guys a tutorial of how I did my nails. As you can see right here, they're not gel nails, they're natural, and I'm super excited to show you this amazing quality products from the brand Staticnails. It's an online retailer for all of things nails. They have different nail polishes, they have pop-on manicures which are reusable. I'm reading right here the site, which I will be putting you right here, a little preview of their website. They have different nail treatments. They have liquid glass lacquer. That's how they call them, the nail polish, which I think is super sophisticated and amazing, and it's great quality. Honestly, the formula is amazing. They have different liquid glass lacquer palettes, non-toxic odorless removers, and yeah, I'm super excited. I'm gonna show you guys all of the goodies they sent me, and then at the end of this I'm gonna be putting you guys the tutorial. All right, so they sent me this super cute palette which is called Staticnails liquid glass lacquer palette sweater weather palette, and isn't she gorgeous? It is just stunning. Let me show you guys, but first let me read a little bit about the products and why they're so special. This is a limited edition capsule collecting containing 10 custom bottles loaded with rich pigments and natural antioxidants for a healthier manicure that actually lasts up to 10 days. So first of all, I'm not a pro at nails at all. My nails are not perfect, and I'm not meant to teach you guys how to do your nails. It's just a little kind of like tutorial of how I did my nails for someone that's not like a nail artist, a nail pro. And I actually wanted to take care a little bit more about my nails because my nails are like totally damaged due to gel nails, different acrylics and stuff. So I want to like just now paint them like naturally instead, and try to keep them healthy for them to grow, because they're like super short right now and thin, and they actually hurt. But with these products, you're gonna get to your nails to be better and healthier. So now they say that they are 3 times longer wear. It says that in a comprehensive study, 100% of participants saw 3 times longer wear compared to other leading brands. The key ingredients: each bottle contains natural antioxidants to care while you wear. They have rose hip promotes nail growth, marula oil hydrates and strengthens, and balm mint which restores and adds shine. So let me show you guys all of the names of all of these. So let me show you guys everything that's included here, and it's super cute package, and I think it's perfect now for the holidays, especially for gifting someone that loves to do their nails, nail polish, everything to do with nails. I think this is a really cute gift idea. They have a different palette, they have a different amount of colors, glitters, everything you could think of, and it's just amazing. So it comes with the primer, the top coat, and then these are like nudes, and it turns into like a little bit darker tones for the holidays now. So they have, this one's called Coconut Skinny Deep Irene, Sweater Weather, Mood, Bohemian Blue, I'll do it tomorrow, and Drop the Bag. So I did use these 2 colors. So I did this for like most of my nails, and I did this color for one of my nails, as you can see right here. Something else that I did do before doing that, I like I said, I want to strengthen my nails and make them like a bit healthier. So before doing that, I put this on, which is called Instant Strength Nail Hardener. Some key ingredients that they say is that each bottle contains a unique blend of natural antioxidants to care while you wear. It has apricot, which nourishes and strengthens. It has safflower oil, which repairs and promotes growth, and bamboo, which strengthens and promotes the growth. And they say that you could use this as itself, like as a primer before putting your nail polish color on, or you put it on top of the primer. Before putting the primer, you put this on, which is exactly what I did. So I did 2 coats. You're supposed to do 2 coats of this product, this nail strengthener, and yeah, so I did 2 of these, and then I went ahead and put the primer, then the color of the nail polishes I wanted, and I did 2 coats of that, and then I did the top coat. So that's the process that I did. Super easy and simple, and I really like this. I really looking forward to fixing my broken nails and fixing how thin they are so that I could like maybe have them longer, which is my goal. So I really like this, that this company promotes natural nail care. Now the next color I got is this is a non-toxic liquid glass lacquer, and it's called Wicked. And this is kind of like a green, like a dark green, kind of like for the holidays, for Christmas. I think this color is gorgeous and I love it. And then they also sent me this glittery, oh my gosh, isn't this gorgeous? It's just stunning. I love this. And I immediately thought of this for New Year's. So like a combination of this with like either red or silver or blue. You could do everything, like any combination you want, especially with any of these colors. And this is called POP.FIZZ.CLINK. Super cute. And the last thing they sent me, which I'm super excited for, is this non-toxic odorless nail color remover in the shade pink, in the color pink. So it's this glass bottle with a dropper, and this is a nail polish remover that is non-toxic, and like they say, is odorless. So I'm super looking forward to trying all of these products. And the products that I did try worked amazing. It's really good quality. I hope you guys can see a close-up of the nails right there and follow along of how I did my nails for a non-pro person, which means that anybody could do it. And I'm super excited, so you guys can see that. I hope you like it. Thank you so much, Staticnails, for these wonderful products. I will be putting the link to everything in my description so you guys can check them out. And thank you guys for watching my videos. I hope you like it. I hope you like this mini do my nails with me, like get ready with me, but do my nails with me. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay guys, so before I start, I file my nails and I have them prepped and ready for the instant strength nail hardener. I clean everything and make sure that everything is nice and neat. Now I go and start with the instant strength nail hardener so that I could start maintaining my nails and making them a bit healthier. So I start with one coat and then I wait until this is completely dry, and then I go ahead and do the second coat. So after I finished with the second coat of the nail hardener, I waited till everything was dry, and I started with the nail primer that it comes in the palette, the sweater weather palette, and it does come in the other palettes that they have. It comes with the primer and the top coat. So after I finished with the primer, I waited again until everything is dry. Make sure that before putting anything new on the nails, you have to wait till the product finishes dry, completely dry, to start our next product. So the nail polish that I chose was the color Mood, which is like a nice light gray, and I applied this to all of my nails, almost all of my nails. I applied it to 4 of my nails, and then the middle finger I applied the other color, which is the darker tone of gray, more turning it to the blue. As you can see here, I'm not any type of nail expert, any nail tech. I just love doing my nails, and I'm learning. It's like a journey for me, little by little, especially learning how to do correctly my non-dominant hand, which is the right hand, with my left hand. And as you can see, I clean out the edges before the painting, the nail polish gets like dry. It's much easier to take it off like this with a tool, to take off the edges of the nails. And then after everything is dry, you can go ahead and pass the nail polish remover. Now I decided to do here the color Bohemian Blue in my middle finger, and I thought it was something different and cute. So I did the rest of my nails with the color Mood, and then that one on both of my right and left hand, I decided to do it with the Bohemian Blue. Now before I started with the top coat that you see here, I went ahead and had my second hand of the color that I used to make the color a bit stronger, and then I went, and as you can see here, I started with my top coat. And remember, this is everything after it was dry. I just speed it up so you guys can get the idea of how I used all of these products. And I gotta say that it was a really amazing quality, and it has lasted me quite a while after I did this video. I have tried it, so I can tell you that the nails have lasted, and my nails feel a bit stronger and healthier after I had tried these products. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like it. I hope you like this little mini get ready with me doing my nails, and I hope to see you guys on my next one. Bye guys.